How to fix unsend messages on your Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, first thing go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find your Facebook Messenger right here. When you find it, click on it like this and then click on force stop. As you can see, when you click on force stop, the program or the app is gonna be stopped. After that, click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again, click on data usage, make sure right here all these options are enabled, and the last thing you want to do is click on storage, click on clear cache, restart your phone, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.